Ako si Meg Siozon mula sa Mandaluyong. Simula bata pa lang ako, mahilig na ako sa sports. I was an athlete at lagi akong nakatutok sa PTV dahil sa Olympics, Asian Games, and Southeast Asian Games. Kilala kasi ito dati bilang sports channel. One day, when I got a call from the management, galing kasi ako sa ibang network, sabi nila, "Are you interested to audition for PTV Sports?" Dahil nung panahon na yon, wala silang female sports anchor. So ako bilang sports enthusiast, na-excite ako. Sabi ko, sige, a-attend ako ng audition. And then by God's grace, natanggap ako. And I was so lucky back then because I have such great mentors. And from there, because of PTV, I got the chance to travel abroad and to cover international sporting event. Ngayon, 12 years na ako sa PTV. Ang bilis-bilis ng panahon. And that's why I consider PTV as my family. This is my home.